Hi, this is a demonstration of the Eurostart BRS5 remote engine starter kit. This is a plug-in designed remote starter, so that means there's no cutting or splicing into the vehicle's wiring. The vehicle remains 100% intact. And with this remote starter, you have three different options for remote starting the vehicle. You can use a smartphone interface, you can use two-way long-range remote controls, or you can use the factory BMW key fob, which I'll demonstrate now. To start the vehicle, you just press the lock button 3 times, and on the third press, you press and hold it for 2 seconds. There it is, it's now running. And with this remote starter, it also can activate the driver's and passenger's heated seats at your desired temperature level settings based on interior temperature of the vehicle. And if you want to turn the vehicle off, you simply just press the unlock button and then the lock button. Alright, thanks for watching.